Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav, and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, since I'm really bad at portraits, I decided to trace it so that I can transfer it to my canvas. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. First thing is choose a picture that you'd like. I already traced one yesterday, but it's smaller than I'd like it to be. Zoom it in. So it should be bigger than this. Before you trace that, increase the volume, the brightness of your screen. With one paper, you can also do this using a tracing paper if you have one. Alright, I'm using the bevel as a guide. Now, get your pencil and start tracing. And there you have it, that's that. So next step is you'll just be needing a carbon paper to be able to transfer it over to your canvas. Right, so we now have our canvas ready, our pencil, an eraser, also the one that we traced earlier. I mean this one, because this is bigger. So I think it'll fit, better. And then, of course, our carbon paper. Now this is what it looks like. This is the back and this is the front. It's kind of sensitive and delicate, so just be careful not to fold it or whatnot. And then of course it normally comes in the colors black or blue. Now what we're gonna do is put this, place it like this, and then place the one that you're going to be tracing on top, because what's going to happen is that we'll be going over everything that we did earlier, so the ink from the backside will be transferring over the canvas, hopefully. I haven't tried this yet, so I hope this works, because yesterday I tried tracing it like really hard, going over the pencil lines through the canvas, and it did not work, as well as flipping it over and then scratching it down, because thinking that the lead from the pencil from this paper might be transferring over to the canvas, but again that did not work. So trying this out, and hopefully this one works, because this is my last resort. After this I don't know what to do anymore. So we'll start tracing again. Just make sure that's perfectly aligned and where you want it to be, and start tracing. You cannot be moving this around once you've started tracing it. And go over the pencil lines, the outline, really hard. Let's see if that works. Yee! It fucking worked! Okay, so we'll just continue doing this Well, let's see. Perfect. It did freaking work. God damn it. I'm so happy with this. This is how frustrated I got with this. To the point that I had to use carbon paper. This is something I haven't used for a really long time. I just started using this, I think, when I started drawing, like at a really, really young age. And then, so, I talk too much now. So, yeah, that's actually the reason why I don't talk in my videos, because I talk a lot. We will not be able to finish anything. So that's that. Let's see if you can see that. Let's get a different view. Yay, so that's that. It definitely worked. So what we're gonna be doing now is we'll be outlining this with, of course, a black acrylic paint, and then we're gonna be proceeding with doing the abstract face painting. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Map. You know, have a good one. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. You take care. Bye-bye. So if that's your problem too,